What made you want to do this project?
I just thought it was a great story, first and foremost. I read the script and I thought it was really exciting, and I just didn't know it was true. I couldn't believe that it was something that actually happened. And it wasn't until after I read the script and I talked to the director, who also wrote it, and he said, no, this really happened. And man, I came down here and I met Winter, and I was so inspired by it. I just thought it was such a great story, and the character that I was playing, I just fell in love with this guy because he's got so many issues that he's struggling with, and I found that very interesting as an actor.
When you watch the film, is there a part that's your favorite, that you like the most?
There's a scene where I'm telling the kids this Native American folk tale when we're sitting out by Winter's pool at night, and I just have fond memories of being there, and it was a beautiful night, and I love these two kids. They're amazing actors and great people, and it was just a very kind of a calm night. It felt like we were camping out, you know. It was cool.
You like to do practical jokes, don't you?
Man, I like
from what we hear.
You know, I'm not really a good practical joker. Like, I don't have like a repertoire of things that I like to do. I just like to have a good time, man. And you know, whatever the situation is, I just like screwing around.
I think it was one of the actresses. She said, I'll always remember that scene because he had his foot on my foot and he was pressing down, and I had to keep character. But no, it sounds exciting that you keep it light, you keep it a lot of fun. It was a fun production.
It was so fun. I mean, there were so many positive messages, and the cast was amazing. The people that work with Winter are heroic people. I mean, what's not to like? You know, it was a great opportunity to have a really good time.
When you watch it, what do you take away from it when you watch the film?
I think the thing I respond to most is watching how Sawyer, the little boy in the movie, kind of finds his passion. I was so lucky as a kid to, by that age, I had already found what I love to do, which is really rare, I think, and I'm aware of how unusual it is to discover your life's passion at a young age. But you see him go from a guy who's kind of lost to becoming absolutely immersed in this newfound passion, and I really thought that was cool.
I like that too. I like that too. Working with the kids, do you work with them different than you do with adults?
Not at all. Just like I don't treat my kids differently, you know. I talk to them like I'm talking to anybody else. You know, I don't think you should use anything different, no different vocabulary or different speech patterns. None of, oh, how are you so cute? You know, all that stuff. Like, it's just, I mean, I screw around with them, but no, it's all good. And they're pros, man. I mean, they work hard. They work really hard.
When this movie comes out, like, how do you encourage people about the movie? Because to me, it is a great family film, extremely wholesome.
You know, there's a lot of genres out there, and you know, I like horror movies. I don't know if I would take my 9-year-old to see some of the movies that I would go to see. This is a movie that everybody can see together. It's not too corny for the adults, and it's not too heady for the kids. It really gives everybody something, and it's just so nice to know that there is a movie like this out there that everybody can go see together.